everyone! Welcome back to another sub-10 minute burger challenge, and today we have vegan foodie Supremo Max La Manna in the building.
How are you feeling, Max? Ready for the challenge?
I'm feeling great. Let's do this.
Nice and confident.
Max, you know how this works. We've given you the same base ingredients as everyone, although obviously we've subbed a few out for vegan alternatives. And we've asked you to bring 3 ingredients in from home, which you have a chance of winning if you get the questions correct. Which ingredients have you bought?
French fries.
Cooked.
Hot sauce. I like a little bit of spice. And avocado.
Intriguing.
Good combos. Are you ready for the questions?
I'm ready for the questions.
Next to take on the 10-minute burger challenge is Max La Manna. Though you wouldn't be able to tell, he's actually 33 years of age and from Waterbury, Connecticut, USA. His favourite dish, stems and herbs pesto pasta. And whilst he's best known as an actor turned chef, his skills reach even further into the art of stone skipping. Forget about AI, this guy knows where the future is headed.
So, by answering these correctly, you get to use the ingredients that you brought in from home. So question 1. On your website, we found a recipe for your burger containing spinach and rocket. But what is the title of that burger?
All greens burger.
Stem and all green burger is the correct answer.
Nicely done.
You have an ingredient.
You're gonna give that to me?
That's numero 1. Question 2. You've just had a brand new cookbook come out. You can cook this.
Plug.
But what year did your previous cookbook, More Plants, Less Waste, first come out?
I know this one. 2019.
Correct! 2 great books. 3 for 3. See if you can do it.
Question 3. This January saw the most sign-ups to participate in Veganuary on record globally. What was that record? A, 500,000, B, 600,000, or C, 700,000 sign-ups to Veganuary?
700,000?
It's 3 for 3. He's correct!
That means you get French fries, avocado, and hot sauce. Let's play burger battle.
How you feeling?
Nervous.
You look it.
Yeah.
Just
You've
remember,
got this.
you've got a whole 10 minutes. You can use as much or as little as it you like
10 minutes.
with 3 special ingredients, and your time starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Come on!
I don't think he read the email. Right, so what have you got there? What is this?
This is, it's not an animal product, guys. It's not an animal product. This is one of those fake meats.
Get in the pan!
Is it soy
Get it in
based?
the pan!
Soy-based?
Soy base, I think, I believe. I don't know the ingredients.
Ripping the cheese and it's going in the middle. Oh, that gets an ooh, that gets an ooh.
Oh, very nice. So he's gone for the stuffed burger.
And he's got some very hot pans.
Oh, that's smoking already.
That could be an issue.
So Max, you've gone cast iron, why?
Everyone else used the other the pans and they were dirty, so I'm left with this one.
He also likes setting off our smoke alarm.
Okay, excellent. Oh no!
Kush, grab the door!
And now what are you doing?
I'm just gonna press it down a little bit, give it a cover,
Lovely.
press this down a little bit, and give that a cover.
Excellent.
Oh my God.
You do you, you do you!
You do it. We'll do the fanning.
Our burger kitchen hasn't got extraction.
Great. Okay, what are you moving on to next?
So, vegan mayonnaise on the buns. Oh my God, yes.
We've obviously subbed out the buns so they're not brioche.
So spread the mayonnaise, the vegan mayonnaise, and this is gonna go in the oven.
Okay.
Check on the burgers.
Am I right in saying these can be eaten raw?
Yes.
Great.
Oh, a little burnt.
Whoa.
Are you finishing those in the oven, chef?
Oh, that'd be smart. Maybe put them in the oven.
It says something about call me. Whose number is that? I love that. That's amazing. In the oven.
Presuming the oven's on.
The oven,
Excellent.
I think it is.
What next?
Making a burger sauce.
Okay, so you've got mustard, we've got some ketchup.
Such a strong man.
Don't finger it.
Nope.
Oh, you can come again.
Get that out.
And pickles.
It's so clean.
The hot sauce? What?
Then we're good. You've got this, you've got this. You've got it, mate.
Oh, do I have
So
to do
much-
everything?
So much calm control. So burger sauce is mustard, ketchup, gherkin, and that's where the first
yes.
ingredient comes in. Hot sauce.
Love this, love this.
Do you know what's very mystical through this haze of smoke?
Fantastic. It's
Nice.
Okay, leave that there.
That was a proper ooh.
So, talk to us about why you chose your ingredients from home. What are they going to bring to this dish?
I looked and saw what I had in the fridge because I wanted to use everything up. So yeah.
On brand, love it.
What am I doing? Here we go.
Ah, interesting. Love that. Techers.
Avocado, it might not be. Oh, I lost the pit. Or the stem. I'm really nervous.
You've got this, you've got this. You're doing a great job.
It's like my wife saying, "When's dinner ready?"
Sub 10 minutes, always.
Yeah. I'm gonna squeeze it out. Don't know. Why did I do that? I just squeezed it out.
Nice. All the salad ready. Chips are ready. How you burgers
Let's throw
looking?
let's throw the fries in there. Let them get warmed up.
Yeah,
oh,
nice.
oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, the oven broken.
Oh,
It
don't worry
just
about
dropped. All right.
that. Looking good.
And then whatever, it'll take these out. Okay. Whew. Okay.
Going for construction.
I'm gonna do 2 burgers.
Yes!
Double burger.
Okay, cool.
Yes!
Little French fries. You guys never do that?
Nice.
Lovely. This is the... What? Oh. Oh, we got so excited.
What?
Okay, so we've got French fries on the bottom. We've got
Burger sauce on the top bun.
pickled burger sauce,
Got the hot sauce in there as well.
double mayo.
He got all 3 of his questions right, so he's got the benefit of all 3 bonus
Not a real thing.
ingredients. Raw onion, wafer thin tomato, and finishing with avo.
Oh!
Avocado.
Throw that in there.
Avocado's in. Avocado's
Ring the
in.
bell when you're happy.
Ring the bell when you're happy.
Nicely done.
Great job.
He did 2 in that
There
time.
was an element of calmness about it as well, despite none of the stuff we gave him working. Great job, mate. Great job.
Let's get into the sexies. The haze is almost cleared.
You overcame so much adversity. I have so much respect for you, and I have even more respect for you after looking at that.
It looks epic.
Oh, thank you.
Happy with how it turned out?
No, but I have to be, I think.
Why don't you, commit the ultimate heinous crime, chop into it, we'll eat it, and you can tell us about some of your technique and your thought processes.
Okay, here we go. Is it squeezing out?
That is a drip.
Oh, good commit.
Off that.
That was supposed to be a better opening shot.
Clean burger is a dreadful burger.
Oh, the chips. Look at it.
The layers, the layers.
I am happy with that now. I am happy.
I'm going to cut you a sliver, and then let's dig in.
Okay.
Ooh. So now I get the full half. Epic. All right, cheers.
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 If you're not wearing it, you're doing it wrong.
If you're not wearing it, you're doing it wrong.
Oh, French fries. They stodge together, almost like a layer of crispy potato on the outside.
Yeah.
And stodge in the middle.
And it's not hot by any means, but that hot sauce gives it
No.
a nice tang. In terms of your bonus ingredients, you got all 3 of them.
Yes.
You got them all in there. I was liking the techers of the smoking.
It tastes
It
like
tastes
That's
like
an
a
extra
barbecue.
ingredient.
It tastes like a barbecued burger. Not least for Cush's smoke wafting.
I would say that's the smokiest burger we've had so far. Like you can taste the char. Congrats.
You bring the grill into the studio.
Okay, that is exactly
There you
what
go.
we did.
It was a happy accident.
A very happy accident. Quite the feast. I mean, it
Taste-wise,
passes. Obviously, it passes. It's delicious. It's also sub 10 minutes, so it's definitely making the board.
Yes.
But before we can tell you where, we need a name for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's called Yeah. No, I think I'm gonna call it the Smoky Vegan.
Nice.
The smoky, it definitely
The
was.
smoky vegan.
We like
Smoky
that.
vegan.
Yeah.
And we can reveal that in terms of leaderboard, you now sit in position number 3 with 6 minutes and 48 seconds. So, great effort.
Oh, wow.
Superb work. You guys have to go and check out Max's channels. He's all over social media. We'll put all the links down below. Go and give him a follow. And comment down below and suggest who you'd like us to invite to take on the challenge next.
Great job.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Delicious. Delicious.
Yum.